Scams, they're everywhere. Is the Brown Report and Power Trades University a scam? Let's dive into it. I'm going to reveal a shocking new scam that's going around on the internet, and I don't want you to be fooled by it. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Jason Brown here with the Brown Report and Power Trades University. I want to talk to you about a shocking new scam that's going around on the internet. And the way that this scam works is the scammers actually do a video called "Is This a Scam?" And basically they give false information and a fake review about a person or a company in an attempt to get you to steer away from that company and to go towards, their company, their views, or their opinions. So I want to break down, is Jason Brown and the Brown Report and Power Trades University a scam? And I want to give you 4 things that you should look for when you're seeing these things on the internet so that you don't get fooled by the real scammers who are doing these fake videos. The first thing is I want you to look for longevity. So is the person that you're looking at in the stock market or following for teachings, do they have longevity? Have they been doing this for a while? For example, back in 2003, I made my first $100,000 or grew my account to a 6-figure trading account. That's been over 15 years ago. So I've been in the industry for over a decade. And then we've been teaching here on YouTube for at least 5 years. Okay, the second thing that I want you to look for to determine if something is a scam or not is, does the person have any case studies? So do they have any testimonials or real life case studies of their profits or losses or their work that you can kind of look at and determine if this person has had some success currently or in the past before? So for example, we have a case study where we did 111K profit. We had another case study where we did 120K profit. There was another case study where we did 80K profit. A case study where we did 11K profit. I think you get the point. We got a lot of case studies where we've made some profit. We also have some case studies where we've made some losses as well. But the point is there something that you can look at and make a decision if this person has had some success in the past or currently having success in the industry that you're looking to go into? Okay, the third thing to look for is, do the numbers make sense? So for example, when you look at our YouTube channel, we have over 37,000 subscribers. But if you pull back the curtain on our YouTube channel, we've had over 3.7 million views on our YouTube channel. So does it make sense that about 1% of the people subscribe to the channel? That means 99% of the people didn't subscribe to the channel, or maybe they just weren't feeling what we were talking about. So does it make sense that with 3.7 million views, 1% of the people would hit the subscribe button? By the way, I hope you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, right? But back to the regularly scheduled program. The point is, do the numbers make sense? And so I don't want you to be fooled or be a dummy. I want you to do some thinking for yourself and not be persuaded by these scammers. The fourth thing and final thing that I want you to look for is, can you get in touch with the person? So is the person that you're following, are they on camera? Are they showing their face? If they're selling products, like we have our own products, we have our own stock market courses, our options trading courses, our Power Trades University, our coaching program, but can you get in touch with the company? So for example, we put our phone number right there on our website at the bottom so that you can contact us if you have any questions. It's not just an email, there's our phone number. In fact, if you want to chat with us and find out if our program is right for you, we encourage you to give us a call. Also, at the bottom of all of our YouTube videos, we also put our mailing address. Now, obviously it's not my physical home, but it's our business address. So if you want to send us some mail, the address is there. And so the real question is, can you get in contact with the person, not just by email, but is there another way that you can actually talk to somebody or send some physical mail should you need to? So those are the 4 things that I want you to be looking for and be on the lookout to make your own decisions if something is a scam or not. And if you come across one of these fake whack scam videos, I want you to give it a thumbs down and I want you to use your brain. Don't be stupid. Think for yourself and ask, does this stuff make sense? And as the old people would say, the proof is in the pudding. And I gave you 4 ways that you can kind of look for some proof and get some pudding, right? I'll see you guys on the next video.